chefs, welcome back to Auntie Nina's Kitchen. Guys, thank you for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. Guys, I want you to go and watch the videos to the end. Like, subscribe, and share. Today we're going to be doing some pepper shrimp, and because my daughter loves it, it's one of her favorite dish, I'm going to be introducing her so she can help me, so she can learn to do it herself in the future. Welcome my special guest. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Robin and I have a YouTube channel. It's going to be in the description. Here's the name of it, Robin's World with an apostrophe S. So yeah, go check it out.
Okay guys, so first thing we're going to be doing is I already cut up my 5 Scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to be using some salt, black pepper, and some Shazam seasoning. We're also going to be serving it with some Festival, but Festival is going to be a whole nother video. For those who don't know how to make Festival, we're going to be doing a whole complete video on Festival. So we're going to go right into the kitchen. We're going to start seasoning up our shrimp. So guys, check us out. Okay, chefs, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. We're going to pour it in, and then we're going to start stirring, and I'm going to have Miss Robin help me to stir it in. Go ahead, Robin, it's your turn. Stir it in, girl. Let's see what you have. Just keep stirring. Make sure the salt and pepper get all over. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my pot, guys. The pot is going to be on high fire because of the quickness of the shrimp. You know, shrimp does not take a long time to cook. So I'm preheating my pot. I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. I'm going to put my pepper in the pot, and then I'm going to carry you back into the kitchen to see how the process is going. Okay guys, love it. Okay chef, the oil is hot. As you can see, the flame is high. Because I want it on a high flame, I'm going to go ahead and put my pepper in. I'm going to pour my shrimp right away. And I'm just going to keep stirring and stirring. Yes, as you can see, the shrimp is changing color. Changing from black or gray to orange. As soon as all of the shrimp become orange, then I'm going to go ahead and put my Shazam seasoning in and have it cook for like 7 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to be ready. It's not a long video, it's not a long process, it's a quick process. Okay, this is how it's looking after 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes of cooking. I'm going to have it cook for another minute before I pour on the seasoning. Okay chef, so this is how it's looking after 3 minutes. If you notice, it has a red color. My daughter was asking me earlier, what's that red thing in the head of the shrimp? Well, this is what it does to the shrimp. It gives you that red color, because if you look at the little gravy that's in it, come a little closer. The little gravy that's in it, it's red or orange or deep orange. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now guys, and I'm gonna add my Shazam. This helps to give it a little bit more color and a little bit more flavor. So guys, this is what it looks like. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is it. Yes guys, so this is what I'm called the Mega Quarter shrimp. This is how the Mega Quarter shrimp is done here in Atlanta, Georgia, in Auntie Nina's Kitchen. It's very, very, very spicy and flavorful. So guys, if you want to order some shrimp from Doña Bada, mega quarters, just ring me up. Okay, chef. So this shrimp can be served hot or cold. Tastes good both ways. It can be served as an appetizer. Say for instance you're having a get together with your friends, a lot of alcohol. This is a very good appetizer. It can be served with festival, bami, any little other finger food that's sweet or savory can take away the taste of the extreme pepper. You can go ahead and do that. If you're having a party with a lot of alcohol, the pepper will go extremely good with that. Or sometimes if you just feel like you want to have something spicy, just go ahead. So serve hot or cold. This is my finished product. This is my pepper shrimp. This is my famous pepper shrimp. Guys, I did 5 pounds of shrimp, and this type of cooking of shrimp does not recommend. I don't recommend any water at all. Just keep stirring and stirring until it's completely cooked. Right now, it took me like 7 minutes for it to be completely cooked. And I'm turning off the fire, guys. I'm going to plate it with some festival and have you have a look at the finished product. I'm going to taste it. Guys, I already tasted it. I could not wait. But my daughter's going to taste it for you guys to tell you how good it tastes. Because you know children is not going to lie about the flavor. So I'll be right back. Like it?
Yes.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. Chefs, I want to thank you for all the love, the like, the subscribe, the share. Continue to watch, and guys, please watch the videos to the end. And I just want to give another shout out to all my friends in Jamaica who has been shouting me out, giving me so much love. Thank you guys for watching. Big up yourself, Auntie Shar, Clover, all the people that want to stop sending me love. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.